yo. How y'all doing? This is the first for me, and I'm doing a box opening time. We're gonna open the boxes. One of my YouTubers I love so dearly. She sent me this. She been with me for a long time. Ever since I almost started. She done watched all my videos, everything. She done watched them all. And I'm happy to hear that. Yeah, okay, I got it. But what she sent me, I don't know what it is. I'm still dealing with a migraine. Not as bad. I'm trying not to take no medicine today. That's my journey today. It's not to take no. And my eyes still the way it is. Hopefully it's getting better.
Yeah, I gotta put it in your eye drops.
So we're gonna put in eye drops. So I'm going to open it. Can't show the front of it because I do believe it has an address on here. This is my first time, y'all. Box opening time. Okay. Okay, you ready? What you think it is?
I have actually no idea.
You don't have no idea?
No.
Yeah, we just woke up. I went to bed. We went to bed late, and I'm telling you, it's 1 p.m. We just really woke up. Well, I got up earlier to take a shower and listen to have my spiritual time. And she was asleep. She didn't have no school today for whatever reason.
It was a holiday.
She said it's a holiday, so I don't know. I can't wait to see what it is, y'all. What you want? You try to see what it is?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? What's that? I don't know what that is.
It looks like a bowl.
Y'all, I can't see a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna have her to see what it is. She bought me some bows.
Yes, it's enjoy locks and locks. Wash these carefully. Do not topper it.
Oh, excuse me. I like this.
It's cute.
Look, y'all.
You can take it on like vacations and hold like food or something in it.
Okay, we're gonna pray about that.
It has locks.
Oh, y'all, it even have a what's going on it?
Oh, a drink thing.
No.
What is that?
And I got 4 of them. I got 4 of them. I'm gonna put these to good use. Cause I do need them.
CJ.
I got 4. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. She just don't know how much she helps me out.
Still don't know what that thing is.
Oh, I like this.
They look cute. And plus
Wow.
they have little locks on them.
Y'all, I'm not used to
Yes.
getting a lot of stuff.
See the little locks?
This is my first time as a YouTuber. Somebody sent me something. She like family, honey. She like family. But I tell her she don't have to send me nothing because we pray a lot and
Can
stuff.
I open the next one?
No, I open it. I open it. I ain't open it. We do a lot of praying. Her name is Miss Betty. What you do with that knife? And now I'm fit to open this one. I appreciate everything. It definitely will be put to use. Because when I moved, I got rid of a lot of stuff. And I don't like clutter. And my kids say I get rid of the wrong stuff sometimes. But it becomes too much. I don't know. I can't. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow.
More bowls.
No. Oh, y'all lucky.
Those are the giant ones. I don't know.
Oh.
That place.
Hold on to that.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm not gonna open both of them.
Oh, it's so
Oh, y'all look. I love
big.
I love
like
the
the
color.
Purple.
That's her favorite. I think it's your favorite color, right?
Purple, pink, and blue. Oh, I
Look
told you
at
it
her.
had gold inside.
I like
Oh, it has
this.
many little locks.
Yeah, I like it. They got little locks on it. I have Chopper, stop. I have 2 of them. I love
I
this.
just can't wait
You
to
know,
see
I've
it
been
come out
wanting to
this
buy me some of these. I just ain't got around to doing it. Oh my God. Thank you. I really, 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 really appreciate
It's
it.
so big.
I do. I got stubborn pains in my head right now. Oh my God. Okay. That's 2. I think it's 4 in each, in each one. I appreciate it. No, it's 3. It's 3. Look, y'all. I like this.
It's cool.
What is it at the bottom? I can't see it.
It says lock and locks.
Locks and locks.
Food items, a dishwasher, food.
Yeah, I still have the pain. And it's not as bad as it usually is on my head, but I like them. And you can stack them inside each other. See, I like stuff like this. She know how to send me gifts.
I can't wait
that.
to see what's in that big one. Ooh, silverware.
Look at that, y'all. I can store it. It don't take up a lot of room. I love them. Oh my God. Oh, yes. Oh my God. You know how you ever got something you don't want to use it because it looks so nice. It looks really nice. And purple.
I like it. Favorite color.
She must knew what I needed just by watching.
Or probably my
And then this one. Well, let me take it out. And I like these. Everything
What
locks,
is
y'all.
this one?
We'll read it and see. Right now I can't see. And you have to say you could never get what?
I said blue.
Yeah, you could never get too much. And they feel so sturdy and so good. I love it.
So
I guess
get out the bush.
I guess to let the steam out and stuff right here. But I appreciate this because this definitely come in handy. Thank you so much. I mean, my God, she know what I needed, and I'm a kind of person I love to buy for everybody, but I don't buy for myself. I like to do for others, but I don't do for myself. Even though I know I need this stuff, I just don't do it. And I know I need it. So she got me 2 of these. Thank you. I could never be I'm so grateful. I am so grateful. Because y'all, it's things like this you think like, oh, she not. I love it. I love it. I love stuff like this. It makes my day. I'll be want to cook more. Because when you got nice things, you want to cook more. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God. And it locks. You don't have to worry about nothing falling out. And it's sturdy and it feels so
shiny.
It's shiny and it's good. It's good. I like this.
Knocked me down.
Y'all just know box opening time surprises. I like it. I love surprises. Then, woo, I got this big old box here. I don't know what it is. Not gonna turn it that way.
Ooh.
Okay, I know this one definitely have my address on it. So, see, have a seat. Oh Lord, child. Ain't sorry. Oh, y'all tell me how y'all think I'm doing on box opening time. How y'all think I'm doing? Open boxes of stuff that Lord knows I needed. I needed this so bad. I'm trying my best not to focus on the pain on the back of my head. This is so exciting to me. And y'all leave me in the comments like also, is this a good way to do the box opening time, or should I done it outside? Should I done it outside or something like that? And I didn't know what was in here. And I didn't know what she was sending me. I thought I did too, but I did. You can't tell. You're looking at boxes.
It's a kettle.
Really?
Now we don't have to use a coffee maker.
You don't even know what it is. That's not what it is.
Handle.
She guessing because the box is still closed. But I seen what it is. You know you didn't have to do this. I'm grateful. Don't touch it. Wow.
What is it?
When she go in, Miss Betty, thank you.
What is it? Still don't know what it is. What is that? Ooh, handle. Magnifying glass.
Y'all, my head hurt. Oh my God.
Ooh. Wait, so what's in all that space? Those boxes? Ooh, I like the color.
Y'all, look.
Ooh. Now we don't have to use the others. So pretty.
Oh my God.
Wait, does that fit?
You just talk a lot. My brain's just frying. And you won't quit talking.
This is
Oh my God.
ooh, pretty.
Stop that. I got my dogs in the room. Oh my God. Holy.
Ooh.
Don't put your fingerprint. Hold on there.
Magnifying glass.
And I'm gonna have to sit it up so y'all can see it.
Ooh, we can make like mac and cheese or something in there. Pasta.
Oh.
Oh.
It's so fancy.
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 Fancy. This is so
Oh my
heavy,
God.
actually. Get this. Be off this.
Y'all know I got one more because y'all see that.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Oh God.
It's so big.
Oh my God. Can you see the name on here? Because I can't.
I'm not good with cursive. That's an R. Wait.
Wait a minute. Can y'all see it?
Yeah, that's. I don't know.
I can't see it.
Hey, look at
Let me
the
see
pouring
this.
thing.
Wait a minute. Oh my God. Wait, hold on. There. Wait a minute. There you go.
Oh. Oh, the steam can stay in and you could pour it like the juice if you're making pasta or something.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, my goodness.
That's Spanish.
It's so delicious.
Keep small children away from the stove.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Rachel Ray, that's what it said. He's in the bush.
Oh. My cat outside.
That's the name of it, Rachel Ray. It's just, thank you for purchasing Rachel Ray cookware. We wish you years of cooking enjoyment. We are excited to.
Oh, here, read that.
We are excited to.
I'm keeping all this.
Share this cookware with you. They are guaranteed to be free from detecting the materials and workmanship under normal household use for the lifetime of a cookware.
We're going to be cooking up a storm.
We
Oh
promise
my God.
origin, purchase, or replace.
Look, it got a little dip in there. Oh my
Oh,
God.
they can replace it
Oh, buddy.
or purchase another.
Oh,
Free
wow.
if you want to replace it, you can get another one for free.
Miss Betty, thank you. You don't know how much this means to me. And it'll help my YouTube channel so much. Because I know God knew I would not bought really much or nothing for myself.
Stop eating the grass.
Y'all, I'm
So
speechless.
big.
I'm speechless. Really am.
Ooh.
This is 3
Is
cents.
there a top for that one?
Oh, feel it.
Ooh, oh geez.
It's heavy. Ain't it? It's really heavy.
Ooh, it feels so cool.
Oh my God.
So shiny.
Oh Lord Jesus.
That's so cool.
You know, when people ask, like, what do you want? For, like, when my family said, like, what you want for Christmas? What do you want for Mother's Day and stuff? I never know what to say or what to, you know. I don't know. Oh my God. It's so heavy. Oh my God. I love this, y'all. I love it. I
Especially
love it.
like the pouring thing.
Yeah, you can
Pour out like water or something.
yeah, what's up in here? I got to fix it in there. I can't see what I'm doing. But yeah. Oh,
It looks so cool.
thank you so much. This is very I appreciate this so much.
Mom, we could have just read what the box says. It says pots made in Thailand, lids made in China.
Oh, well. Like I said, I can't see it. Don't be so scared, cat. But I'm gonna take a video of this.
Oi! Oh, snap.
I am very thankful. I'm grateful.
Go back inside.
It'll help me with, like I said, my YouTube channel. I know it. It'll help me with my YouTube channel and everything. I'm going to really, I can shoot. I don't know. It's on there. I'm just gonna have to figure out. I can't see right now. That's what the
Here,
problem
hold
is.
this.
No, that's okay. I don't want you to touch my stuff. I'm not riding your bike. Yeah, she bought a bike. Though. But yeah. Oh my God. Y'all, this is so wonderful. I like this. Look at them.
It is so hard to
You
keep
know, I
up.
usually watch everybody else get their little stuff. I like, oh, look at me now. Look at me. Look at me. Look.
Rachel.
It's deep. Look at there. When I cook, I'm gonna have to videotape it. I'm gonna need to make some kind of stew.
Gumbo. That soup that has a whole bunch of vegetables and chicken. It's called gumbo or jumbo. No, it's called gumbo. From the Princess and the Frog. Ooh.
I really like
Shiny.
this.
I like these. They're so pretty colors.
It's heavy, y'all. It is heavy.
I want to put this down.
Oh my God. Thank you. Thank
Mom,
you so much.
Mom, did you realize it? The rim? Okay. The rim is gold.
I can't see that. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Oh my God. The stuff that you don't realize that you need. And stuff until you get it and you're grateful for it. Everything she have done for me, Miss Betty, thank you so much. To you and your family, I appreciate it. This will be used. You will get to see it used. All of it.
Wait, how many boxes
And
did we get?
I believe that I believe in storage. Putting stuff in the storage, storing stuff. Because when I cook, I like to have stuff like this. I love to have stuff like this. I'm sorry, y'all, if I keep blinking. I'm going to end up going to take this medicine. I was trying not to take no medicine at all. But if I'm going to have a great day, I'm going to have to take this medicine.
And so we had 3 boxes, and one had about 3 things in it.
Oh, God.
That's so confusing.
Okay. It's right here. Oh, God. Y'all just don't know. This means a lot to me. It means the world to me, really. Because I don't think about buying it. If I think about it, I don't buy it. Excuse them, they just barking.
I walked in the window and I'm trying to get them out.
Yeah, just stay away from the window. But I appreciate it. Stop knocking on my bedroom door.
Mom, they probably
And I'm going to set it up so y'all can see everything she got me. I appreciate it so much. Everything is so needed. I needed this. And I know when my other family see it, they'll be like, oh, you got some stuff. Alright.
Mama, the only thing missing is silverware.
So this is really, I like this. It locks everything. So I got 4 of these. That pain is electrocuting my brain. So yes, y'all see it? And they are pretty, they are so pretty. And stuff like this, it means a lot to me. It means a lot.
What are you doing?
You can put stuff in the refrigerator, like when you get through cooking, because I hate, because my family have a habit of like, oh, they put stuff in the refrigerator, but it's like, if it's on a plate, guess what? The plate go in the refrigerator. As my brother-in-law was saying, like he seen the biscuits that my daughter made, and she just set it in there, which I did not know, because I don't go to the kitchen that much, really. Now, like when she had the biscuits, she could sit them in here. She has something to put them in. That is so pretty, y'all. Look at the color. Oh, God, I like that. Thank you so much. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. It means the world to me. know. Because I was in a process, like I had moved, and I throwed away a lot of stuff. You know, I got rid of stuff that I like my stuff to look nice. And when stuff look nice, I can keep it. And stuff. So y'all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sit this up, show off my stuff I love so much. I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I got a place for it. Y'all, I don't want this video to be long. Let me set it up and show y'all. Picture shots. Can you stop this, please?